What in the... What? I can't even see you anymore. What? No. You know, I'm just seeing a small little... What? This is not how life is supposed to work.
Wait, what the fuck am I watching?
I don't know. Where is he?
It's just fucking zooming around the floor.
Just wait until he goes into Spider-Man mode. That's even
Wait,
worse.
what do you mean Spider-Man mode?
You'll see in a second.
I don't. No, that's not what?
Well, I mean, it's not hard for him
Miitto,
to
can I try and pop you with my pistol?
do it.
Mid-air. Oh,
Oh,
missed.
you missed.
Oh.
No shit!
You know, honestly, this is just dumb to watch.
To be fair, it's good target practice.
Yes, I hope you're not talking about me when you're saying target practice, but I mean...
No, obviously everyone's...
What is it? Miitto, have you just ascended? Also,
Say that's faster than that.
wouldn't this amount of speed while laying on the ground create an amount of friction that would have melted his body away by now?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Probably.
Yes, lads, man's got the body. Yeah.
Yes, the man in with the TikTok.
Yeah, well, of course. Also, yeah, I read this thing the other day. TikTok has not shown me I was born in the wrong generation. It just told me I was raised properly.
Yeah, true.
Wait,
Wait.
this nutter is